No spare cash, no Yankee wahala. My people, wahala that reach Naija Tourist wey dey eye USA. Now no be only to get visa, you must still get bond money, $5 to $15K. Na caution deposit say you go return back to Naija as planned. As you dey hustle flight, hotel and shop money, you go still hustle behave well money join. Small businessman, person wey get small savings, Yankee don softly price you out. Na tourism, but e resemble pain. The true talk be say, nowadays to travel no be only good character, na good account balance. My brother man and sister woman, e sweet abi e no sweet? I salute una, una do.